Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you send a Starbucks gift card by text. To do it so, you have to follow these steps. First of all, you want to install the Starbucks app from the App Store. The other the other thing you want to do is open up the text app and then select the conversation to whom you want to do it so. Then tap the Starbucks gift card icon in the messaging app. When you do it so, you want to scroll down and select the gift card design as well. When you actually done it so, select the gift card's value and click on the add button. Then you want to tap on the buy button just right next to it, after which you have to confirm your payment, and then you simply want to go ahead and confirm your payment. And once you've completed the payment, you'll have successfully confirmed or sent the Starbucks gift via your text. That is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.